Hi, everyone. My name is Umair Haq. I'm a real estate investor with the group that you're learning more about. And today I want to cover the problem that we're seeing for many everyday Americans. And I want to give you a snapshot of the solution. And the solution may make sense for you guys the way it did for me and my family. So when we go to school here, let me get my pen going real quick. And I really want to build this out for you guys. I don't know about you, but I was told go to school, get a degree, get a job, and eventually someday retire with a nest egg. And I want to explain to you, if you don't already know, why that is such a broken concept. Let's say you want to retire now, and you can live comfortably off of $10,000 a month, right? A $10,000 distribution. Where I live in the Washington, D.C. area, I mean, it's because of inflation, it's hard to even live off of that, right? But let's say you can live comfortably off of $10,000 a month and you anticipate on living 20 years after you retire. Well, mathematically, you would need over $3.4 million saved up in your retirement account. Okay. Now, let's say you could live frugally and live off of maybe $5,000 a year. Well, and you're going to live 20 years after you retire, you would still need over $1.7 million saved up in your nest egg. I meet with individuals on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, and I have them go look at their 401ks, their 403bs, their TSP plan, or wherever they have their retirement account. And many times we find that people don't even have $500,000 in their retirement account. So what you'll notice is happening is people will retire from one employer and they'll go to another one. In fact, that's exactly what was happening with me and my family, at least until we found this group in real estate investing. Let me give you a snapshot of some of the changes that the investors in our group are making. Now, this is Dennis. He's one of our investors, real student of ours. And Dennis actually had money. He had $250,000 in a traditional retirement account. And that money was producing him $800 a month. He started learning all about self-direction and taking control of his retirement with cash flow real estate. Now, Dennis was able to purchase two condos, right? We teach people how to buy at a discount. Two condos for $217,000. And his net monthly cash flow over doubled, $3,600 a month. Now, he doesn't get to keep all of that money because obviously in real estate investing, there's taxes and insurance. But I want to show you guys the power of really learning and repositioning your money in cash flow based retirement, real estate. Now, he bought them for 217, but over time these properties appreciated. The market value of his two condos are now over $800,000. Now, you might be a little bit older looking to reposition your current retirement, or you might be like this guy. This is my friend Alvin, and I can't wait for you to really meet us, whether it's in person or at one of our online events. But Alvin, he wrote this. He goes, I'm 26 years old. I got good grades, got into a great college, and did everything I was supposed to do. I ended up working for Chipotle folding burritos. Exactly 2 years ago, I found this real estate community where the investors taught me everything I need to know to make a change. Today, I own 84 rentals and I make my annual Chipotle salary in 1 month's rental income. Guys, if a 24-year-old can do it, why can't you? Again, my name is Umair Haq. I look forward to meeting you in one of our future trainings. What you're going to want to do is get in touch with whoever gave you this information piece so we can help you create your success. Thanks for listening.